Hey one, hey all, 'tis I, VegetFH1. I'm here to actually air out a glitch with my with my computer. Machine, computer, whichever one you really want to say. The name of this computer is Jet, and its CPU is 12 cores. Yep, 12 cores i7, each core having 3.33 gigahertz. It cost me €1,000 for this CPU, and I thought I was getting 6 cores. It would appear that I was getting 12. Yeah, you can see it on the right side here. The usage. This is because I'm actually recording. Um, there is 12 cores in that list, from 1 to 12. Not from 0 to 11 as you'd expect, but yeah, either way. All of them are running with the exception of core 6, 8, oh, no, there they go. I was going to say 8, 9, and 11. 6, 8, 9, 11. 4 is a bit choked up. But this is an interesting glitch. I'm only supposed to have 6 cores. Now, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining, not by a long shot. I have 12 fucking cores. But okay, you mightn't actually believe that one. So let's go Control Alt Delete, start Task Manager, and there you go, there's 12 cores already. Wow. I actually thought that was going to be on processes, but I must have left it on the performance. Either way, that is 12 cores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. I'm happy. Okay, let's go to Process Explorer, because this... Whoa. That must be because of the recording. Process Explorer 64-bit. Those are all the processes running. There are the cores. Now, there's 4 cores under here, which are quite odd. But when you move the cursor off them, you can see that they actually pop up. Which is fucking strange. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. I don't know why it does that. Maybe because it's just not used to having 12 cores in the fucking CPU. But let's count them. There's 2, there's 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is 12 cores. So, anybody else have this glitch? Because I know it's not supposed to be like this. And, again, I'm not complaining. I have 12 fucking cores after all. But, let's say you don't believe any of that. That I'm lying through my teeth and that I've somehow managed to edit all of these programs even though I don't know programming. And make it look like I have 12 cores. Right. I suppose I'd have to go into Hypercam for this. So I have to record Hypercam through Hypercam. Yay! Now, if I go to the AVI file and go down to the codec, DivX 6.9.2 codec, 12 logical CPUs. It's right there, 12 logical CPUs. That's 12 fucking cores. Can anybody explain this? Because I've thought about it, and I've thought about it, and I've thought about it, and I still can't get an answer, except that it's glitched, somehow. Along with my 8800, which is stuck in this machine as well. Jet is turning out to be one glitched computer. I have a glitched case, because the board wasn't originally supposed to fit inside the case, so I had to mangle the case, which was €260 of a case, brand new, just out of off the shelves and yada yada, and I had to mangle the damn thing. to fit the fucking board in. By doing so, I was able to sit the board on a new set of pillars attached to the case, and I got use out of all the expansion slots, which if I had used the normal ATX pillars, I wouldn't have been able to get the expansion slots, which is quite strange. The board is a, oh, what is it? It's a gigabit X80, no, X58A UD9. It's a a brand new fucking board. They've only just created the damn thing, and well, kind of the same with the case, and the case is belonging to Corsair, so I'd rather damage a Corsair product than a gigabit product, especially one as expensive as this fucking board, €515. The RAM is, I dare say it, Corsair. Yeah, I know. Corsair RAM sucks balls. But anyway, I couldn't really not buy the RAM because the board can only support this type of RAM, the one step up from it, which is the 17600 and the 22300. And since there's only Crucial at 22300, I said, no, let's go with something a bit more feasible. So I got the 10600 and I got Corsair PC3. It's DDR3. So yep, 6 gig DDR3. PC3 10600, or what is it? It's 1333 megahertz. It's quite a nice machine. Lovely, glitched, and extremely fast. Extremely fast. Well, I suppose what can I expect with 12 fucking CPUs? Yeah, each of those cores are 3 gigahertz. 3.33 gigahertz. Close to 4. Yeah, the graphics card is a Nvidia GeForce 8800 GTX. I will be updating it to an SLI, not a Crossfire. SLI Nvidia 48s or 480. What was it? The 485s. I don't know. Fuck it. I'll just go with the original pan 480s. A pair of them and just slap them in because I have to. I do fucking 3D modeling with Blender and games and recording like this and all sorts of wonderful things. The only thing I'm ass ridden on is I have 3 hard drives. One is a 10,000 RPM hard drive. It's only 150 gigs, which stores the operating system, and the other 2 hard drives are 250 gigs, 7,200 RPM. And I've already filled up one of them with all the games and stuff. The other one still houses the old operating system of Henrietta, and yeah, I don't really want to get rid of that because at some point I will be repairing her. Yeah, powered by 1000 watt power supply by Coolmaster, of all people, or of all companies, should I say. And I have a lovely new screen, 24-inch of wideness. I think that's pretty much it, apart from the Pioneer CD-DVD-ROM, which is actually quite crap, but I won't say that too loudly because I don't want it to break down. And I have 7 quick swappable hard drive slots, or panel-y things, yeah, those. Yep, that's it. That's everything. By the way, the heatsink for that CPU is frickin' huge. Like, it's touching off the case from end to end. That's how big it is. No, I'm kidding. It's actually, it's 3/4 of the size of the depth of the case. Yeah, 3/4 the depth. That's ridiculous, actually, when you think about it. A heatsink is supposed to be a small thing that sits on a fucking CPU. This thing is hanging off the CPU. As for the heatsink for the North Bridge chip, I had to dig a hole in the back of the case again to fit the North Bridge chip heatsink. Gigabit may want to actually, fix that design flaw. It is quite annoying, especially when you're building the board into a case that's not supposed to fit the board. But I know they don't want to really worry about that. Anyway, I think I'll leave it there. I've explained everything that I need to explain. So, yep. Anybody got any ideas on what the hell is going on with my computer? And comment, rate. I won't tell you to subscribe because that's up to you. Yeah, see yous.